Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome back to Star Queen Sisters YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be showing you how you can make $100 from this app. Yes guys, as you saw the thumbnail to this video, this app actually paid me $100, and this app works in all countries. It works in Africa, it works in America, it works in every country you can actually mention. It's all over, it's everywhere. People are doing this, people are using this app, you know. So in this video we're going to show you how to sign up on this app. We're going to show you how to carry out jobs, because you're actually doing jobs to get paid. So we're going to show you how to carry out jobs on this app to actually get it paid. We're also going to show you how to receive payment. Yes, the method in which you're going to receive payment from this app is not just any popular method, it's a specific method, and you have to stick to the end of this video to actually know that particular way that works, so that you can use that way and you can actually cash it from this app your first $100. You know, it feels good to actually sit down from your house and scroll on the phone and get paid for doing something that it's so easy to do, you know. So this app, they offer a job. The app is an AI company that produces app. Yes, they offer AI jobs. They pay you for, number one, they pay you for typing. Yes, they pay you for typing. They can give you something they can record a voice note, like an audio, for you to actually type, and if you type the words correctly, you actually get the dollars from the job. They can pay you about $1 to $2. It's on the screen, $1 to $2 for typing little audios. And this app also pays for yes, they also pay you for checking audios. Yes, you're going to check if this voice is a British person that actually spoke this, that said this, or an American person that said this. Yes, they pay you for helping them decipher voices. I hope you guys okay, I hope you're getting it. Yes, you're going to be texting, you're going to be deciphering voices, you're also going to be playing audios. Yes, you're also going to be saying something. They're going to ask you to pronounce a particular word a particular way, and if you pronounce it correctly, you get paid from the job. So there are little micro tax jobs. Yes guys, there are little micro tax jobs that you actually get paid from. So from the video on your screen, I'm going to show you how to actually sign up on this app. This app is called Neevo app, guys. Yes, this app is called Neevo app. You're going to go to your Play Store. The Neevo is spelled as on the screen Neevo. It looks like it's blue. Yes, it has a blue color. Neevo is from the Next Evolution company. Yes, the Next Evolution company is an AI company, guys. So we're going to learn how to sign up on Neevo app. Yes, we're going to learn how to sign up on Neevo app. So guys, you're going to open your phone, go to your Play Store. The video is playing. Yes, you go to your Play Store, you get Neevo app. After you got Neevo app, you're actually going to press sign up. You see your first name, you see your last name, you see your email, you see your password. Put the exact name on your email and your password in the app. Yes, do not use a nickname, guys. Do not use a nickname. Use the exact first name and the last name that's on your bank account on the app. So guys, you see there, and put a password you can actually remember. Yes, put a password you can actually remember, and put an email that you know that you can actually remember. So I'm going to log in, and I logged in on my own app. Yes, I logged in on Neevo app. Yes guys, so as you can see, I've logged in. These are some other instructions on how to actually get paid from Neevo app. So guys, that's actually how to sign up. It's very easy to sign up on Neevo app. So what's the next step after signing up, guys? What's the next step after signing up? How do we actually earn this $100? So now, when you sign up on this app, they're gonna give you tests. Yes, they're gonna give you tests. They're gonna give you about three or four tests. They're gonna test your English. They're gonna test your hearing. They're gonna test your typing. Yes. So guys, tell them who you are. I'm gonna repeat again. Tell them who you are. They're gonna ask, are you fluent in English? Is your English basic, or is your English, are you like a pro? Like, are you so good in your English? If you're just basic in your English in speaking, tell them basic. There are jobs for basic, there are jobs for fluent people, and there are jobs for native people who like speaking like, oh, it's their native language, English. So they're also going to ask you for your British how you can use speak in London, you know, British, blah blah blah, British and everything, guys. So this is how, like now when you say cup, you know, English people say cup, the British say cup. Give me a cup right there, give me a cup, give me a cup. So that's British. They're gonna also test your British speaking, guys. So you must not know how to speak British before you can actually get these jobs and get paid. All you need to do is to package yourself. In this video, I'm actually packaging you. We have packaged you for the sign up. Now we're packaging you on how to actually pass the tests to getting qualified for these jobs. Because once you pass the test, you can actually pass the test as a basic person. They will give you tests based on your level. Either you are basic, either you're fluent, or you are native. So no, and you know, guys, this is 2 tests: listening test and speaking test. Yes, guys, listening test and speaking test. And anyone you pass, you can actually get jobs for anyone, which is actually fine. The listening test is so easy, so easy. So guys, we're gonna go on to the next part of this video, where I'm going to tell you the exact type of jobs in the screen record, so you can actually they can get familiar to these things. They actually send you updates of these jobs on your email. So let's go to this video, guys. This is yes, it's playing. You can see my email, last chance, where I got the job. It said last chance for this jobs. Yes, last chance for this job. Hey Vizela, would like to kind of remind you that British tax is available for you. You can see my code, access code to this job. So when you receive an email like this, what you do is just press job here, and once you press job here, it opens the app back to you, and you just take on the tax and you actually get the pay. Now this job was very low. It was for $0.10. Yes, this job here was for $0.10, but they actually have higher jobs. They want to see if you're consistent with the low jobs. You can see, guys, they sent me so much $0.10. If you add $0.10 times 10, that's actually $1. They want to see if you are not just like, are you just here for the money? Are you here for the money, or you're also here for the long run? These AI companies wants to check if you are a genuine person. They're going to first send you $0.10 jobs first before they send you $0.15. Then they will upgrade it again to $0.30. Then they're going to upgrade it again from $0.30. The next job you're going to get is about $1, 1 point something dollars, 1.2, 1.4, 1.3. Then the next, then they're going to pay you like $2 per particular gig. So before you can actually get jobs of over $100, you have to do this consistently. But in a month run, I can say all the jobs you actually accumulated can actually give you $100 like I got paid, and you can actually get paid. So let's go on to the next video, guys. So I opened my app. You can see good night Bisola. This is my Gmail. Yes, it says here at the beginning that we are out of jobs. That means we apologize. That means, so anytime they get jobs, they're going to notify you in your email, guys. They're going to notify you in your email. So just make sure you are clear. All the process you want to do, make sure it's all clear. You can see my job history. It says closed. Yes, when jobs are available, my history is going to open. Now you can see my certification I had. I didn't pass my basic test in the UK language, but I passed the one in the United States. So you can see here retake test. You can see retake to be approved. So you have to be consistent, and you have to be intentional about this stuff. You can't get paid with no intentions. So now I'm just scrolling to the app. You can see the app very well. This has my information. I'm going back. So guys, let's talk about how do I link a payment method. That means when I'm actually getting this $0.10, $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, how can I actually cash it out into my bank account as a Nigerian or as an American, whoever you are? So the payment method to actually cashing out your money from Neevo, as you can see on the screen, is through one payment method. They only use one payment method, and that payment method is called PayPal. Yes, guys, PayPal. And let me tell you, PayPal is very easy to create. You can actually create a PayPal account for free. You don't need money. You don't need so-called strong VPN. You can actually use a free VPN to actually create your PayPal account, guys. Neevo is very easy once you have a PayPal. And You will now link your PayPal to another account, another US account, where you can actually connect that particular account to your Nigerian account and withdraw your money, just like I did. Yes, so in this video, we want you to express yourself. If you don't know how to create an international PayPal account, UK account, comment in the comment section. Our next video is going to be about that. If we see that a lot of people don't know how to create it, we're going to refer you to our next video where we're going to teach you how to create an international PayPal account. Then how to link your PayPal to your Nigerian bank. We're also going to tell you how to do that. Then if you have other challenges with your PayPal before and you don't know how, you don't even know what PayPal is, it's fine. You can actually learn what PayPal is right now. It's an international bank where you can actually earn money in dollars. Yes, in dollars. So guys, that is all for Neevo. Yes, the app is called Neevo. It's on your screen. Neevo. They pay for micro jobs, small taxes, and micro jobs, small tax. Yes, guys. So Neevo pays for micro jobs, small taxes. That's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said, if you can actually be consistent with the jobs they give you, they're going to increase the bar high to you actually get a job of over $100 on Neevo app from your house. So be consistent. It's something you can build your future on and actually grow, guys. So SQS, Starcraft Sisters, we are the ones giving you these ways and these opportunities, guys. So make sure you subscribe to this video. Do not leave this video without subscribing. Neevo is going to be good to you. Trust us. And go download the app immediately this video and try all the methods we asked you to try and give us a feedback. But subscribe first. Subscribe to the video and we'll see, and you catch us in the next one. We have so much other opportunities and ideas coming for you guys. You have to subscribe to actually get a notification for the next video. Bye.